Looking for a hair oil that actually repairs damage without weighing your hair down? Olaplex No. 7 is your answer. This weightless styling oil not only boosts shine and softness but also strengthens your hair from within, making flyaways and frizz a thing of the past. If you want vibrant color and a smooth finish that lasts, this product delivers exactly that. I've tried countless hair oils, but Olaplex No. 7 stands out because it doesn't leave my hair greasy or heavy. I have oily hair, and most oils force me to wash my hair the next day. Not with No. 7. It keeps my hair soft, shiny, and manageable all day long. Plus, it's part of the only patented bond-building system proven to repair extreme damage, turning dry, brittle strands into resilient, healthy hair. For an extra boost, mixing a few drops of No. 7 with a pea-sized amount of No. 6 before styling adds even more smoothness and shine. If that's you, someone who wants stronger, shinier hair without sacrificing weight or texture, Olaplex No. 7 is worth a look. It repairs, protects, and enhances your hair's natural beauty with a formula that's light but powerful. Try it when you're ready to transform your hair care routine and enjoy the benefits of softer, healthier hair every day.